Hi everyone, Sandy Trefker here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is a quick video. I'm calling it a show and tell. It is not a tutorial. It is just sharing some of the cards. I'll tell you a little bit how I did it. Some cards that I made using the leftovers and scraps from my design team package from Country Craft Creations that included the Echo Park's Cupid Company paper collection. So these are some cards that I made. I did 6, and so I'll be sharing these with you. Okay, so the first card that I made, all of my bases are made out of black cardstock for the A2 size, which means they are finished size of 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. So that's what will fit in an envelope, a standard size envelope for mailing in the United States. So I took this one, and then I took a piece of linen or ivory colored cardstock and put that on the bottom, and then I took scraps of paper. I added the heart one here, a little bit of some floral down here, another piece of the same floral up here, and then at the top some of the words. So these are all from the collection, the Cupid Company. Then I wrapped around this seam binding bow and tied it and wrinkled it up. I added a flower market sticker and the pink truck with flowers, farm fresh flowers here on the front, a sticker and a bouquet sticker, and then I finished it off by adding some flower lace that I had a scrap of in my stash. And then when you open it up on these, I added little pockets so you could add little gift cards if you wanted to. And this is from the I believe Tags and Frames. It says Happy Valentine's Day, or is that a sticker? Oh, that's a cut out of the papers, out of a cut apart scrap that I had. So that's card number 1. Card number 2 is same size, but it opens to the side, and I added a bit of punched out lace on this one. The paper scraps, I didn't add a full size mat on this one. On the black card, I used a piece of this one, the scrolls, some of this plaid floral, and then I stuck the bicycle on sticker on top of that. I added these little pieces from the Tags and Frames at X and O, and then I also put a tag underneath. It says "You are so loved," and then I added the ribbon, which is wrapped from the inside like that, and then a black button string bow, and then a red flat back pearl right here on the top. So it's really easy. Just take your scraps and start laying them down and see which ones go together and just get a different look that you like. And then this one also has a pocket here on the inside. And then this third one, done the same way, the black background, but I used a piece of the floral piece here, then this scroll type paper here. Another tag says February 14th. Here's this scrap of the hearts, and another piece of the scroll print. It's wider than one up here at the top. And then I put the red truck sticker and then some flowers, and then added this bit of lace here. And of course, I put a seam binding ribbon bow at the top and crinkled it up, and this one has a pocket as well on the inside. Then for the real simple ones, really quick, you could do in just a few seconds really. Take your card base. I cut out a mat out of this floral piece of paper. It's probably about a 4" by 5 1/4, and then a piece of this red plaid, and then I matted the hugs and kisses from the cut aparts onto some of this pink plaid, and then I lifted it up just a tiny bit with some foam dot element, and then inside I just put the plain. So these are quick and easy. So I did 3 of these quick and easy ones. This one does have the mat on the back in the ivory color. Then it has a mat of the plaid, and then I put a scrap of the lips and a scrap of the hearts. And then I matted this cut apart Cupid Company special delivery, sending loads of love, onto some plaid, lifted that up with foam dots, and then added this sticker of the envelope here at the top in the corner. And then the last card, again, I put the ivory mat on the black card base. This is just a scrap of paper that fit right here with the words, and then I thought I would mat this little typewriter cut apart that says "You are just my type" onto some of the ivory cardstock, and then lift that with some foam dots, and again it's plain on the inside. So those are my 6 cards that I made with these scraps left over from my design team package from Country Craft Creations, using this adorable Cupid and Company paper collection. If you haven't checked it out yet, look for it on while the supplies last at the countrycraftcreations.com online store. It's called Cupid and Company. I just can't quit working with it. So this is like my 4th project. This one's using scraps. I still have some scraps left. So I think I'm going to be making a small couple of page layouts, and I'll probably share those as well. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and click that bell so you'll know when my next video is up. Thanks. Bye-bye.